Brian here at 5 Star Engine Repair. Yeah, we work on all kinds of engines over here. A lot of years working on equipment and outboard motors. And today you may have seen a video that I'm rebuilding a carb on this 7.5 horsepower Mercury 2-stroke outboard. Carb's off, as you can see. Well, these things here, they have a vacuum diaphragm operated fuel pump. Now, the vacuum comes from the crankcase in the engine, which is down here. This fitting connects to the crankcase of this engine. 2-strokes work on a principle of the piston moving up draws fuel into the motor, which is compressed on the next compression stroke. But these here, they draw vacuum off the crankcase. And the 2-strokes only work on 5 or 7 pounds negative pressure in the crankcase, okay? But this is a vacuum line that's needed to pump fuel. And this thing is loose. Look at this thing. It's got a hose clamp on it. That just does not work, kids. You can't use, zip ties. It's not, I'm sorry, I said hose clamp, but it's a zip tie. Look, I can pull this off. So how much vacuum are we losing there? So right away, when you look at something, look for some of the things that are obvious. If it don't look neat and tidy or something just don't seem right, look at hoses and stuff, and you get a whole, what the heck, you look at this and we're going to have to fix this. This thing's getting all new hoses. We've spent the money and time and bought a carb rebuild kit and diaphragm pump rebuild kit. So now we're going to go through and do all the hoses.